All right, y'all know what time it is. School is in session. So we are making hair and beard oil in my lovely steel bowl. The first thing I'm doing is putting some almond oil in there because almond oil is rich in nutrients like vitamin E, omega-3, and magnesium, which nourishes the scalp and strengthens hair. It prevents hair from becoming dry and brittle, reduces breakage, supports hair growth. It's an anti-inflammatory. It reduces dandruff, which hinders hair growth. When you massage it into the scalp, it allows for nutrients to reach the follicles and promote hair growth, which is rich in antioxidants as well. I'm also throwing in some olive oil, which is high in vitamin A and E. It's a natural moisturizer. It improves scalp health, enhances blood circulation. It prevents hair damage, strengthens the hair, penetrates the hair shaft, which strengthens the hair from within. The next thing I'm doing is throwing in some grapeseed oil, which is a natural hair conditioner. It improves shine and softness, and it also reduces split ends. The next thing I'm gonna throw in there is some flaxseed oil, okay? Flaxseed oil balances the pH levels and it promotes oil production, right? It reduces the rate of hair loss and it improves the elasticity of the hair. Next, I'm gonna throw in some Jamaican black castor oil, which promotes thicker hair. It's an antibacterial and antifungal. It is rich in ricinoleic acid, which is a unique fatty acid that increases the blood flow to the scalp. You have to increase the blood flow and massage your scalp in order to promote hair growth, okay? I can't stress that enough. When you're throwing in some oil, massage that in your hair. But before you throw in the oil, make sure that you're using some of my rose water, okay? That rose water is going to help save your life because the oil is going to actually help seal in that moisture. I'm throwing in some horsetail herb. We're going to get into what my herbs do in part 2. But I'm going to just show y'all how I do what I do. So we threw in this horsetail herb, okay? The next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to throw in some mint and some rosemary. Once I throw in that mint and that rosemary, I'm going to go ahead, put this thing on the stove and do the double boiler method. So that way all of my herbs can get infused into the oil to really give you all that natural medicine that your scalp and hair needs, okay? We got some men who got little bald spots and thinning going on in their beard. This is going to help them out. It's going to help promote that growth. Next, while that is on the stove, I am going to put in some candula herbs, okay? Candula is very great for hair growth. It's also very great for just regulating, things within the body. But as I said, I'm going to talk about the herbs in part 2, okay? That's where I'm really going to do a deep dive. After I put in these candula herbs, because I'm throwing these into my little mason jar so that way I can pour the oil in there and let this sit for about 2 weeks to really let it get infused in there. I'm going to throw in some burdock root. For those that know, they know. And then after I throw in some burdock root, I'm going to go ahead and seal that baby off with a little bit of neem, okay? The neem leaves is very beneficial in more ways than one. And we're going to do a deep dive into that. So don't you worry. Make sure that y'all tune in for part 2. Class was in session today. I hope that y'all got what y'all needed. I'm going to go ahead and seal this thing off by pouring my oils on into these mason jars. I'm going to seal them bad boys up, let them sit in a dark place, get all infused, get all that medicine in there that your hair and your beards need and that scalp. And we going to tune in for part 2. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. And if you're not already following, go ahead and follow. Bye. Mwah.